Hey everyone, welcome back. If Apple Pay is acting up, declining payments, showing errors, or just behaving weird, sometimes the fastest fix is to reset it by removing your card and adding it back fresh. Here's exactly how to do that. First, open the wallet app and then find the card that's causing the problem. Tap on it to open the card details. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the cards page and tap Remove Card. Confirm by tapping Remove. The card is now removed from Apple Pay. Your actual bank card is not affected. Only the digital version and wallet is. Now, to add it back, go to the Settings app and then go to Apple Pay and Wallet and then tap Add Card. Choose debit or credit card, tap Continue and scan your card with your camera or enter the details manually. After entering the info, tap Next and your bank will send a verification code. Enter the code and your card is back in Apple Pay, fully refreshed and re-verified. This process clears any glitch or sync error with the card. So all you gotta do is open wallet, tap your card, scroll down and remove it, then go to settings and add it back. Apple Pay fully resets for that card. Subscribe for more Apple Pay guides.